Let's see what's under the air filter. Alright. Whoops. From here, it doesn't look that bad. Let's see. Oh yeah. That might be a problem with getting some air. A couple more screws. Have that off. Okay, we got this airbags cover off. We note how clean it is back here. Okay, that took care of that. Hope that didn't break. I don't think so. There's that little metal doohickey in there. Move these screws so I don't drop things that cannot be retrievable. Looks like remove the fuel line from the shutoff here, which I'm going to shut off right now. Maybe I'm at the wrong angle to do it. Off. Okay, I got this critter off. I wish you could smell this, because man does it reek. And I don't know if you can see how yellow it is. Ugh. Loose. At least I thought it did. Yeah, it did. Mmm. Yummy. Hey look, there's stuff growing. Yep. One carburetor definitely needs to be rebuilt.